Wow, massive congratulations to Obi Cubana. He just purchased a 2026 Rolls Royce Cullinan worth 1 billion naira from California. This one no be CEO. He imported it by air. The cost of importing it by air alone is even up to another 1 billion. Hey! E get people wey get money especially this December period. Massive congratulations. So guys, please help me to wish him massive congratulations for the purchase of this luxurious vehicle. This car is not for children. For you to be riding Rolls Royce Cullinan, you have to be worth up to $1 billion. Yes, nothing short of that. Ya bụrụ moto ụmụaka Igbo na-eme ọfụma. Nna biko jisi ike ihe ọma mere gị nya mekwere mere anyị ncha na this 2026 n'aha Jesus. Amen.
Only for people who understand. That 2025 has been a great year.
As a woman.
And there's no other way to celebrate it than this way.
The reason why I had that prostitution is because of...
I'm sitting majestically here.
Because I'm not here to judge.
He's a 35-year-old.
Whatever decision
that is more than 35 years.
Is your choice.
Suitable only for kings. Now the palace is complete. Tiger, Paul.
We all have stories. And we all have where you're coming from.
You can say that again. This is what it's called. Paul, you know about it? This is the black badge, right?
It's your choice.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
The left way or the right way.
So that's it. It is what it is.
Last.
We worked so hard. We've worked super hard. Oh, this is just 96 kilometers. It was flown from California.
Now they try.
Of course.
The disrespect. Me with my sharp mouth. If we don't beat Chris, maybe if I be a shower, if I don't kill me by now, because my mouth no good. I go first curse you. Me be like pamper. How you call your man handle me? Which kind of what's in that? Ha! Me that is a tender, loving baby gay. You now want to be telling me, open it, put it. No, now. People say a shower will be work. Now serious work.
Nigeria, okay? We deliver absolute peace of mind. See, no scratch, no nothing. Huh? If I not you big, we want time big. Now I dey para o. My hustle no sabo. Ona da ba. And he go fall like man now. 1 meter, oh it's not. 2 meter, oh it's not. 3 meter, oh it's not. 4 meter, oh it's not. 5 meter, oh it's not. 10 meter, oh it's not. 100 meter, oh it's not. Short corner, Imana, oh we get better below. You're the knockout. Ask of me now. Ask of me now. You wanna go say your child. Ask of me now. Ask of me. Nigeria, okay? Enviable delivers peace of mind. Enviable logistics, the best. The best. Merry Christmas.